Did you know that just one medium-sized balloon can hold over 5,700 milliliters of sulfur hexafluoride? And if this one balloon filled with SF6 sprung a leak, it would release the equivalent of 428,766 liters of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. That's a lot of greenhouse warming for such a small amount of SF6. Unfortunately, it is estimated that 10% of all circuit breakers in use at utilities today are leaking SF6 in various amounts. This is a huge economic and environmental problem for our planet. What if you could ensure your SF6 leaks were repaired correctly the first time, effectively reducing your SF6 emissions? And what if you could easily install, measure, and move your SF6 gas monitoring devices, placing them where the trouble is with ease and efficiency? Finally, what if you could easily collect and report your SF6 data? Repetitive SF6 leak repairs can be costly. Whether you are maintaining or repairing your gas-insulated breakers, it's important to ensure your leaking circuit breakers are identified and fixed the first time. With the Watchman SF6 portable gas monitor, you can eliminate repetitive circuit breaker leak repairs that are both expensive and time-consuming. Now, after a field engineer has fixed an SF6 leak, you can easily and quickly monitor the results, giving you 100% certainty that the leak has been fixed. Because the Watchman SF6 is portable and reusable, you can place the device where the trouble is and schedule the repair during regular maintenance shutdown well before it gets to a critical state, saving you even more money and resources and eliminating the potential for a lockout. The Watchman SF6 gas monitoring system offers you many unparalleled advantages, allowing you to effectively manage your worst assets, monitor known leaks, and extend the life of your equipment. Designed by our engineering team, the versatile Watchman SF6 features proprietary technology that measures temperature and pressure more accurately, because we infer true density despite wide, rapid temperature swings. Data the way you want it, when you need it. The Watchman SF6 features an easy-to-read dashboard allowing you to review days to alarm, days to lockout, trending data, temperature changes, volume, density, total gas loss. And with the Watchman SF6 AutoFill option, you can fill your breaker while it is energized, avoiding the need to take the breaker out of service to add gas. The AutoFill option continuously monitors SF6 gas density, replacing the amount of gas lost and maintaining the gas density above the alarm point. This extends the life of leaking assets by ensuring no outages due to loss of dielectric insulation. With the AutoFill option, you'll realize these many advantages. Eliminate low SF6 gas alarms. Increase uptime, safer than manually filling SF6. And with our advanced communication capability, you can get leak information in the field at the breaker or with 24/7 access via cell phone, tablet, or PC via text, email, or remote access. The Watchman SF6 is Windows and Mac compatible with no software required. Advanced diagnostics are available so you can drill down into the detail with the click of a mouse.